Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Leos. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your love energy, and for your general guidance, guys. So first, with the daily energy, I'll be picking one card from this deck for your daily reading, guys. For your love reading, we'll be picking three cards from another deck. So these are for your love reading, guys. And for your oracle guidance, we'll be picking one card from the wisdom oracle guidance. So this is the card. We will keep it here and we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. Leos, for your daily reading first, what is the card here? It's the Fool in reverse, guys. Leos, with this card, this may relate to your career situation or a personal life, guys. Today you may feel that you are aimless. You don't know what you need to do and what is your next plan of action. So you are blank about some certain things. You are just going about your daily work with that aimlessness, guys. And maybe for few of you, you may be seeing lots of distractions also. This may be because of the people around you, your family or friends. That may be the reason. Maybe in your family someone is sick or they are having some troubles. You are taking care of them. That may be the reason for these distractions, or that may be why you feel distracted, or it may be some kind of illness on your part. You may be sick some way, so you may feel weak and distracted for some of you. And also you are doing some mistakes. You may be dropping things when you're doing some work. You don't have that concentration because of some emotional stress that you feel in your situation today, Leos. That is what I see with this card. This may relate to your career situation or your personal life, guys. So let us see what are these cards for your love reading. So this may be what you feel about this person or what they may feel about you, Leos. So let us see what are these cards, guys. It's 10 of Wands, 10 of Cups in reverse, and the Hierophant in reverse, Leos. So with these cards in your situation, Leos, you are making great efforts and you have lots of responsibilities, guys. Today you have overwhelming responsibilities and you feel burdened in your situation today. Maybe you are the person who is really responsible in your situation, taking care of many things. That may be the reason for some stress in your day to day, guys, a day to day work, something of that sort. And also maybe this may be the reason that you may feel some stress with this person in your connection. You are the one who is making those important decisions in your personal life. So this person, they are just there for that fun in this relationship. They are not making any effort, or they are in no way taking responsibility for any situation or any outcome. So that may be the reason for some stressful situation in your personal life. And maybe for some of you, you may be having some misunderstandings, quarrels, some fights. That may be the reason for some stressful situation. Or it may be this person, they are having some sickness, so you may be taking care of them. That may also be the reason for some anxiety and stress in your situation, guys. So that is what I see. And though you have that understanding and love with this person, you may be having some arguments and fights, guys. And that weakness, that energy is there, guys. So maybe some of you may be fighting addictions, Leos. Some addictions may be there, but also maybe some sickness, something really taking a toll on your emotional state. You may be very much stressed. So that is what I see here, guys. So something is troubling you, Leos, in this connection. Maybe these illness or these bad habits or too much responsibilities. So something is stressing you in these in this connection with this person, Leos. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So what is your oracle guidance? So what is the card? This card may or may not relate to your situation. It is something that we can follow every day to make things go in a better way, guys. So this is a guidance card. So let us turn the card now. These cards must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. So thinker, that is what this card is. So in our situation, it may be in our career situation or in our personal life, we have to go for that deep thinking, have that logical thinking in our situation and reason out what will be the result and then move forward. So in our relationship, love is not logical, but when we choose a person for ourselves, we have to go for that deeper understanding, guys. So in order to have that understanding, it just means that we have to know about each other, something in common. If we have, we will be able to find that, we will be able to build that connection in a much better way. So if you don't have that common ground in this relationship, you need not fight it out, guys. You need not force it to work. So it is not worth your time and energy, guys. So facts are facts. If you don't have that common ground between you both, that compatibility, you can let this person go and you can wait for a better person to come in your life who will have that better clarity and understanding with you. So that is what this card is about. The same way in your work situation, you have to go for that calculated action, guys, and plan a strategy in your work situation. So when you plan your strategy, you will see that things are aligning towards a much better potential and you will be able to reach success very soon. So you have to think out clearly what you need in life and make your choices based on that and work towards success. So that is what this card is about, Leos, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.